Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is going to be the solar powered pole topper. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Well, there's not a whole lot to this. It's going to be a pretty quick video. As expected, it's pretty simple. Now, you can use this for a couple of different things. You can put it on top of a flagpole. In my case, I'm going to be putting it on top of a bird pole. I want to see, I've got coons, possums, stuff like that come eat seed at nighttime, so I'm hoping to put this on top of my bird pole and be able to see these animals at nighttime when they're out there eating. Wow, it's pretty cool. Let me show you real quick what all you get. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. Basically just an instruction sheet. Not a whole lot to it. And then the solar power topper itself. So you've got all these different little solar panels here. And then you've got your bulbs on the back, LED bulbs. Wow, it's really nice. I'm hoping it's bright, but there are a ton of LEDs in here. And then you've got your on-off switch here. Maybe a couple different modes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it charged up, and then I'll try and give you an idea of what does it look like whenever it's on. The only other thing you really get with it is a couple little accessories here. Little carabiner clip. And I'm not real sure what this would be for. I know it goes in the center here. I guess it's maybe for hanging. Yeah, so it won't go through the bottom. There you go. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Okay, so I've got the solar panel fully charged. 6 to 8 hours is the recommended charging every day. Now, obviously, the more sun you're getting on it, the better it's going to be, the brighter it's going to be. But if it's fully charged, you should get 10 hours or so of life out of the LEDs. I did want to say that this piece is pretty neat. In the event that you don't want to sit it on your pole topper, you can actually put this piece in there, and then you can use the carabiner or different kind of hook, and you can basically hang the item so that it hangs. You don't have to use it. You can simply put that on a pole topper as well. I did want to mention that the center is 1/2 of an inch. So if you've got a pole that's larger than that, you're going to have some kind of adapter. It's kind of designed for a 1/2 inch pole. You've got this button on the back. So I mentioned before, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on for you. If you've got it on, basically at nighttime, the lights will automatically turn on. You've got two different settings. That's going to be your high setting. You can press it again. That's going to be the lower setting. There's not a whole lot of difference between the two settings. And then if you don't want it on, you can simply turn it off and it'll just charge during the day, but the LEDs will not come on at nighttime. Anyway, I hope the video helps.